Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this Jabra Elite Active 75T. So this is the earbuds itself with case. So I am going to show you how to do factory reset to this Jabra Elite Active 75T. So it's very simple. Just open the lid here and take out the earbuds. Wait for few seconds. So we have to continuously press these buttons, both buttons at a time. Press and hold for 10 seconds approximately. So both earbuds will start blinking purple color LED for few seconds. That means it has been gone back to factory defaults. So after that, again if you put in the case and take out, so earbuds will be getting into pairing mode without any pressing the buttons. So alright, now let me press and hold for few seconds so that you can identify the purple light which is blinking. So let me start now. So both started blinking purple, right? So that means this has been gone back to factory defaults. So further for confirmation, I'm going to put this in the case and close it for few seconds. After that, if we open and take out the earbuds, the right side will start glowing automatically blue. You can see now it has glowing. Now it is glowing blue light. So that means this has entered in pairing mode. So this is the basic confirmation that these earbuds are gone back to factory defaults. So that's it for this video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. If you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. I have uploaded so many videos regarding this. I have shown you how to replace the battery of this type of earbuds. So please go through the channel. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye.